Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos with me, Rich, market analyst at Hantec Markets on Wednesday, 21st of November. Let's have a look at Eurodollar, which actually had a big bearish engulfing candle yesterday as the dollar regained some strength. Now it'll be interesting to see how the market reacts today to that candle, because if you get a second negative candle coming through, that would confirm the move and certainly would suggest that the dollar bulls are sort of back in the driving seat to an extent. You've got this breakdown of the trend channel, which certainly muddies the waters of the outlook. But the failure to break through 115 figure is, I suppose, a concern for the Euro bulls. 1470 area resistance yesterday before closing, as I said, back below Monday's low. And the resistance now coming in, whereby the fact that the momentum indicators are rolling over, stochastics, RSI and MACD lines sort of losing traction in a recovery play. You've got the hourly chart, which I've talked about 1390 as a basis of resistance, little basis of resistance over sort of old support. Sort of failed at 1411 today, so sort of rolling over again, but as I said, sort of taking on a more corrective outlook to an extent, certainly not having that positive Euro bull outlook anymore, but sort of point towards the fact that you could argue you're still trading sort of in an uptrend scenario here. So sort of mixed signals really on the Euro, I would say here. And we need to just keep an eye on that support, I think, of yesterday's low at 1355. If you break that to the downside, then you are looking, certainly I think, to gather momentum in that corrective move, and that would be sort of in line with, on the daily chart, sort of a close below that today would certainly drive that momentum, but a little bit sort of uncertain as to the near-term outlook, but it looks like it's still sort of ready to trade lower, potentially, given the fact that we've got that bearish engulfing candle and the momentum indicators have lost traction. So I wish you good luck in trading, and I'll speak to you later.